I bought a front lip for my car. As you can see, it's right there. I just unboxed. I need paint, so let's go get some paint. I'm back from getting paint, and I have the lip set up on some sawhorses, and I already kind of fitted it up. I didn't mount it or anything, but I kind of just fitted it. It looks like it's good. It came with self-tapping screws right here. I don't know if rivets will be better than self-tapping screws, but I'm also going to use tape, so whatever. My camera is about to die, so I have the charger over there. I'm not going to film me sanding it because it's about to die, and I don't want it to, you know, so I'm just not going to film it. I'm just letting you know I'm going to sand it, and then I'll show you afterwards. So, hi. I have the lip all sanded down in 240 grit sandpaper. I'm going to leave it in 240 grit for the primer. And then I'm going to primer it with a light coat of primer. I'm going to sand it lightly with like 500 grit, something like that. And then I'm going to primer it again. And then I'm going to sand it with like 1,000, maybe. Day 2 of painting my front lip. So, with more energy than this, I'm gonna sand it with 400 grit wet sanding with little soapy water. 400 grit, obviously, because I'm using 400 grit. And I'm gonna start by sanding. What do you know?
I've been stuck on memory, but it's not like I need it. And you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn.
The lip is ready to be installed on my car. It's all painted, it's all cleared. It's pretty. I'm gonna install it, and I'll show you before and after. Like a picture or something. Well, it's gonna be a video, but you know what I mean. So that's the before. And this is the after. With the front lip installed and the side skirts, this is how the car stands. This is how the car sits right now. I love how the side skirts and the lip make it just a bit lower. One thing I did do wrong though, I don't know if I did or not, but I think I did. Sorry, my car's so dirty. It's very buggy. I think this is supposed to come all the way up to here. Not sure though. Definitely not all the way up. But I think, especially over here, it's supposed to come all the way up to here. And I mounted it pretty darn low. So, what that means is I just have to redo it whenever I feel like it. I like how it looks right now, so I'm not going to. I think it has a really good look to it. I say if it was If it was a little higher on the bumper, like I was talking about, it would give it more like a flare out instead of just being extended. It would give it more of a kind of a flare to it. The back stance is obviously the same. I like how it looks from the back too. But once I get the rear lip and do what I want to do with it, it's gonna look amazing. The thing I told you guys about with the exhaust, I didn't really explain it very well or at all. All I did was I chopped the muffler off. Well, I might have told you, but I chopped the muffler off. And then I bought a stainless steel tip. I think it's either 3.5 inch or 4-inch outlet. Dual wall, so it won't rust as easily. I got to an exhaust shop and they bolted in for me along with the hangers. So that was pretty good. It was pretty expensive though. It was like 80 bucks for them to do all the labor. But I mean, it sounds good now, so. Wow, that sun's bright. That sun is bright. Yikes, this might have been a bad spot. I had to change locations because like 2 people rolled up and it was just getting really awkward and I didn't want to film. So I'm here now. I'm at my high school. So where's I at? If you like watching my videos and you want to see more progress on this car, the Project G5 Miss Bonnie, then I would say you should like the video and you should subscribe, because, you know, I'm not just trying to grow, I'm trying to make sure people know that younger kids like my age can do this, even when you're on a budget. You just have to know how to manage your money correctly. So I want people to know that, and I want people to try it. Even if you're not into a car, I want you to try it. So that's my main goal with this, just to get people to like cars more and work on them more, and especially younger people. Subscribe. I'll see you in the next video next Monday. So, bye. So yes, I bought a so it came with where'd they go? Welcome back. Sorry, it's not back. This is what it looks like if you didn't see it. Actually, you did see it, so I don't know why I'm saying that, but so to be installed with